Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have another song here from Brett Young. This one is called I Did This To Me. Alright, so what did you do, Brett? Yeah, I don't know. You have to listen to the song and find out and perhaps learn it and play it. So why not? Let's start this one up. We have a capo here on the first fret, and that's what we need to have the easiest chords possible. So capo on first, alright? And we'll go over the chords like we usually do, starting with the F, okay? So it's a bar chord. You place a bar here on the first fret over all strings, and then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have C next, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. G next, alright, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then we have the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And that's what we need for this song. 4 chords, F, C, G, and A minor. Before we start it, we'll learn the strumming pattern. So grab the F, that is the first chord, and it's very easy. It's about 4 downs, that's 1 round. And I like to emphasize the third down, and I do that in a way that I'm playing more on the mid top strings down here, top notes, all right? So all other downs, the first, the second, and the fourth, are played a little bit more on the bass strings. So it sounds like this for 1 round. All right, and that is 4 downs in total. 1, 2, and then on the third, down there, and back up on the fourth. All right, so in a context, it sounds like this. All right, so we are ready for this song, and it's mainly about 2 different parts only, the verse play and the chorus play, and then it repeats itself here. So for the verse play, you're gonna play F, 2 strumming rounds, then C, 2 strumming rounds, and G, 4. And that's it. So F2, C2, and G4 like this. All right, so that's the verse play, and now over to the chorus play. It will be very similar, so we're continuing the same strumming pattern here. Now the chords will be F2, C2, G2, and A minor 2. That's the first half of it, all right? So we're gonna play that so far. 2 strumming rounds of F, C, G, and A minor in that order, like this. All right, that's the first half. Then the second half is F2, C2, and G4. So far, the same as verse play. And then we have the ending here, which is where the theme comes in. I Did This To Me, where you place 2 downs on F, only 2 downs with a pause, so. And then you continue right after with G2 strumming rounds, all right? So all this was the second half, and I repeat, it was the F2 rounds, C2 rounds, G4 rounds in the same way as verse, and then you have F again, 2 downs plus a pause, and then you continue with 2 strumming rounds of G like this. All right, and that ends the second part of the chorus. So just to summarize everything here, both the first and second part, you had the F2, C2, G2, and A minor 2. That's the first half of the chorus. And then you have the second part is F2, C2, G4, then 2 downs on F plus a pause, and then 2 strumming rounds with G. And then we'll also have a final part here in the song. It's the instrumental part, and it's nothing new. You play in the same way as the verse play there. This instrumental part comes right after the chorus, and it's again F2, C2, and G4. So there, guys, you have all the parts you need for playing Brett Young's I Did This To Me. Very straightforward song, easy strumming pattern, pretty easy chords as well. So good luck with this one, guys. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know. Thumb up this and subscribe to this channel. I love you for your support. So till next time, play tuned.